the river itself. Today is National River Cleanup Day. As the project manager of Nkwazi Isu, I decided to join Plastics South Africa, which is our main overarching body, to be here today with all these wonderful volunteers to clean up a major river that joins the ocean here.
Recycling is very important for the environment. Rather than throwing it in the landfill, it can be remanufactured and create an impact to the economy of our country.
One small part of a lot of stuff that we got today. A lot of fish guts, a lot of plastic, a lot of stuff just intertwined in the sea life, as you can see.
A lot of polystyrene, glass bottles, cigarette butts,
A few car tires.
A lot of plastic caps, bottle caps, beer bottles and plastic and fish line.
Most of the big items have been taken, like the bottles, cans, large plastic bags. But what's really important now is getting a lot of the microplastics, the nurdles, that kind of stuff.
As well as some of the stuff that you've been using in the cleanup. Okay, so this is happening all over the world in different parts of the globe at different oceans. A tiger shark is long and slender. It has a fin. Top ones are bigger than the bottom. Okay, so we cut through So you see it? Okay. This is a cigarette. The bottom of it. Okay, I can't name brand. Yeah. But anyways, that they landed in the shark's stomach. Now obviously you're asking,